Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Shama Trades and it's another week of traders update. So in this week, we are going to handle some few pairs and some of the pairs are already in profit. Some are break even and some are yet to go in for this coming week. We are going to start with out CHF on a daily time frame. So previously I expected maybe if the market will do some kind of a reaction around here. This is on now 4 hour. I expect to see if the market will form any reaction so that I can continue buying this market. But unfortunately, the market did not break my counter trend line. And for my strategy, market has to break the counter trend line for me to continue with the buying or for me to enter any trade. So as you can see, the market still dropping. You can see the market is still dropping. So for me, for now, I don't have any setup for out CHF. So let's go back to daily and see. So for now, I don't have any setup for out CHF. So maybe I can think about it when the market is around here, where we have another zone below here. So when the market reach around this zone, then I can decide whether I can have another setup. But the most setup that I'm waiting to see if the market can respect this zone and change the bias to continue on a bullish setup. So that's all for out CHF. Let's go now to another pair. On this one is USD JPY. USD JPY, the last the last the last live that I was talking about, this trade was on profit already and a high break even, and also I took some of the profit. So let's go to 4 hour and then see how the market played. So on 4 hour on USD JPY, the market break this small resistance, which is my red line, and then the market start playing above my red line. Then all of a sudden the market break again below the red line where I take my stop loss, and the market break my stop loss. Then that was it for USD JPY. And from that trade, I enabled to gain around 200 pips, which is also good pips to take from the market. So for now, I don't have any setup on USD JPY. I'm waiting to see how the market will play from here because I see the market is consolidating for a couple of time around here. You can see the market is just doing consolidation around this place, but I'm still happy because I got some profit from it. And I was unable to get 200 pips from that particular trade. So let's go again and see if you have another pair. The next one that I'm going to analyze, this one is NAS 100. You remember very well on my previous video, I talked about NAS 100. And I told you guys about the setup that I'm anticipating to see on NAS 100. The market break this level, which was a resistance before, and the market retested to around the same place. That was my first confluence, and my second confluence, this was the third touch of a triangle over trend line, which means this was the first touch, this is the second touch, and this is the third touch. So which means this market is trending to the upside. And apart from the market trending to the upside, also the market has break and also retested to my key level. So which one? That one was one of my yeah, anticipation where I wanted to see how the market will play it. And on 4 hour, I took the trade, which I also called this trade on this channel. If you've not seen yet, you can go to my previous video and you can see clearly how I anticipated this trade, and the trade worked perfectly. So my TP1 is already out. I have break even. I've already taken my stop loss below the red line around here. My higher low is where I've now put my stop loss. I'm waiting to see if the market will keep retracing back one. Then I'll be happy to get out of the market with some good pips from that trade. So the trade performed very well. This is NAS 100. So if the market will continue to go upside, then I will still hold the 50% that I've remained with. But if the market decided to retrace and coming back to my entry, then I will already protect the profits that I've already have. So that's all about NAS 100. I called the market, I called the trade here live, and I hope all those who took this trade are already in profit on it. So let's go to another pair which some kind surprised me, because for my career I am a swing trade, and this trade I took on Friday, and before Friday ends already trade took my take profit. Also, as you remember, as you watch my previous video, I call upon this trade also. I told you guys I'm waiting to see to sell gold. At that time, I think market was still consolidating around this area. And I told you I'm not going to sell anything around here until market came to my yellow box. That's where I will sell this market. And you can see how my strategy performed very well. So I can start from the beginning to explain, maybe for those who have watched for the first time. This is a double top. You can see we have a zone here, market respected here for the first time, and also market respected around this area for the second time, which form a double top. Also, the market, I break my trend line. This was my trend line. The market break my trend line. So what I was expecting market to retrace to my fib level. This yellow box is my Fibonacci level. I draw my Fibonacci level around here from the top to the bottom around here. You can see the yellow box. It's inside my Fibonacci level. And after I draw this yellow box, I waited and see if the market will retrace until it touch this yellow box. That's where I will enter the trade. And exactly on Friday, before the NFP, the market already reached my level, touch my yellow box. And as the market started to retrace, that's where I took my trades. Before even thinking of taking 50% of my trades around here, the market already hit my TP. So this is a trade that I only enter on Friday, and also I take my profit on the same day, which somehow good. But I'm a swing trade, so I am used to see how the market perform for a week, 2 week, a month, and a couple of days. So for this trade, it was a good trade for me. Things went very well for me in this particular trade. So what I'm expecting to see, the one that I'm yet to see, still waiting to see, or still waiting for it to perform, is USD CHF. So far, the four pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, the four pairs that I've already talked about, I've already, those all four pairs, no stop losses has hit me. All four pairs, I've got some profit out of the four pairs, no stop loss yet. So for Q2, so far so good. I already have only one stop loss hit, which was on I think Euro GBP. I think that's the only pair, and for now that I has hit my stop loss for Q2, which show you now the accuracy that my strategy worked for. So as you can see now, this is the pair now that we are waiting to see how it will perform. I'm waiting to see for this coming week. And if also I get another pair, I will also uh, go live here and tell you about that pair. But for now, let's talk about USD CHF. As you can see from the top, we have a top here. We have another here. So which form a good level. Then the market come to my level around here. Also break the trend line. You can see this is a good trend line. Market respected this trend line for 1, 2, 3 times. And also the market break my trend line. So what I'm expecting the market to retrace to my yellow zone. My yellow zone is my Fibonacci zone. Let me draw for you so that you can see it clearly. That is my Fibonacci zone. That's 50 to 60 level. That's where now I'm waiting the market to retrace to. So what I'm waiting to see, I'm waiting to see the market retrace to this level and then drop to the downside. That's where now what I am anticipating to see on this particular pair. As you can see also, we have some kind of another setup around here. You can see this is a head, this is a shoulder, and also this is a shoulder. So you can see this is a head and shoulder from a distance. You can see head and shoulder from a distance. And also the market has break the neckline, which you see the market has break the neckline. So what we are waiting, the market to retrace to the neckline, which is also my yellow zone. On another setup also, you can see the market has break, show me the change of direction because this was the lower high. Now the market has break this level, which also show me the sign of a change of direction. So now this is what I'm anticipating to see. I'm anticipating to see the market retrace to my yellow box. Then I can take a shot to the downside. So guys, that's all for today. I think this is all for today. But before I leave, guys, I urge you to go and subscribe to my channel so that we can provide more videos, more accurate videos that we are still providing. So I urge you, support your boy, go down there and subscribe to my channel so that we can have more video. So I will have this kind of a setup on Traders Update. I will giving this kind of a setup on a weekly basis. And also if I get a good time within the week also, I can have another videos to explain more on these setups and also more of backtesting videos. So there's more to come. There's more to come on this one. So what I urge you guys, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for everything.